Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to schedule power on or off on Vivo Y03t. If you're using Vivo Y03 and now you want to schedule power on or off, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for shortcuts and accessibility. From here, just select task timer and then just select schedule power on or off. And here you'll get all the settings of your scheduling. You just have to tap on anyone if you want to customize. Just select time, and here you can easily customize the time which you want. And then here's the days for repetition. If you want a repetition of your schedule, you can easily select days here. And after that, just tap on done when your customization is completed. So that's how you can easily make schedule of power on or off on your Vivo Y03t. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.